Hello friends, I welcome all of you in my channel Classic Vijay Vlogs. Friends, this vlog in English language, if you looking such as a vlog where you watch and learn English communication skills, this vlog Classic Vijay Vlogs perfect for you. Friends, every day at the evening 6 p.m. I am uploading new vlog that is a English language. So friends, if you want to learn English communication skill through blogging and looking such as a blog where you can watch and learn English communication skills, must watch, must follow this my blog. So friends, this blog I am making in the miracle morning, and here you can see beside of me lot of greenery, grass, lot of birds chirping here, and there are so many long tree and greenery. So this is such a beautiful place and awesome scene everywhere. If you love greenery, if you love walking alone, if you love beauty of nature, this vlog only for you. So I hope you will watch this vlog at the end of the vlogs. So if you watch end of the vlog, you will be get so many information. I like walking alone in the morning, and in the morning everywhere I can feel beauty of nature. So nice, so greenery, so charm. And here you can see this tree looking very awesome. Sunlight directly coming on this leaf, and this tree looking from this side very awesome. And if you going this side looking dark because the sunlight not coming this side, but if you looking this side looking very awesome. It's brighter and contrast. Wow. And you can see everywhere in this park so many greenery, peace, quiet, energetic you can feel. Awesome. If you love exercise, there are so many exercise equipment here. So friends, if you like walking alone, and I always come in this park in the miracle morning, and I remove my slipper and walking without slipper in green grass. So if you walking after removing your slipper and walking alone in the green grass, it will also help you to improve your health. It will also help your better feeling good, feeling energetic, feeling good vibration, your mind, soul and heart. You can see how wonderful place. I like this place. I like. This is a wonderful place. So every morning I spend my quality time in this magical miracle morning. And in this tree, this is a really awesome flowers. Wow. So in this tree, there are so many flowers here. And flowers display very awesome, looking very nice. It is a pink color of flowers. There are so many flowers. It is a bundle of flowers, not only one flower. It is a bundle of flowers. You can see. So friends, last night it's very heavy rains because it's a raining season, and last night it's heavy raining. Due to heavy rainings, the beauty of nature, like too much greenery and the flowers trees, grass, looking of this garden, very awesome. You can see there are so many bundles of flowers in the top of the tree. Yeah, awesome. This type of scene you can see whenever you go outside from home. You always sleeping late night and wake up late night, this type of magical miracle morning you will lose. There are three monkeys jumping on this tree branch. See, and when I coming near the monkey, they going up on the tree and they jumping one branch to another one branch. Wow, it is systematic sitting. Now it's jumping down and go. And there are two monkey jumping one branch to another one branch on this tree. Wow, this is a beauty of nature. Awesome. It's really looking very nice. Now let's go down and going. Now one monkey jumping from one branch to another branch of tree. Now they are also going down and go. Awesome. I like I like this type of peaceful place, calm, quiet, and energetic environment. Now let me see you another one tree, and this tree also a different type of flowers, and there are so many flowers. Now let me see you. Friends, you can see they are different type of tree and different type of flowers, and in this tree there are so many flowers. You can see if you know the name of this tree, name of the flowers, you can write the comment section in this video. There are so many flowers in this tree, and all flowers are looking very awesome. And on this tree there is a monkey. You can see there is a monkey sitting on this tree. Awesome. And monkey searching some food, they plucking this flower and eating. So in the middle of this tree, in the top, one monkey sitting and searching something. You see, monkey looking nice from this side. Wow. So friends, right now you see the beauty of nature. There are different type of the tree, different type of the flowers. One monkey sitting on the tree, they searching some things, they eating flowers of the tree. And from this side, if you see this tree, there are so many flowers. You can also see from this side, these flowers looking violet color. And this is not a one flower, this is a bundle of flowers. So friends, I always believe everybody should get up early morning and go park and walking alone. If you walking alone, you can talk from yourself, you can talk from beauty of nature, you can talk from universe, you can send your message to universe, because the environment in the magical miracle morning very calm, quiet, and everybody looking awesome, everybody looking energetic, everybody looking calm, quiet, and peaceful. This is a tree of Asoka. You can see this is a very famous tree, and this is a tree of Asoka. Not only one tree, there are multiple Asoka tree in this park. You can see this tree also a Asoka. And if you see carefully, one bird sitting on this wire, small tiny bird sitting on this wire, it's flying. Yeah, blue sky, greenery, there are so many birds, flowers, animals, insect. You can explore the beauty of nature in this magical miracle morning. So friends, I like walking alone. I like beauty of nature, and you can see this monkey still on this tree and they eating flowers. So friends, I feel everyone on the world, not only man, fly, insects, animals, everyone, whenever they wake up early morning, after diet, they need food. And everyone go outside for searching his food. That monkey come down and walking, now jumping on this tree. You can see. Now this monkey jumping on this tree. Now they jumping from one branch to another one branch. And another one monkey, you can see, sitting here on this branch here. And one monkey sitting on this branch. So there are so many monkey in this park. So I believe I don't harmful them. I only watching and not disturbing, because I feel beauty of nature. Don't disturb, don't harmful to anyone. And friends, here you can see beside of me there are another one flower tree. This is a canal flower tree. And here you can see this is a canal flower tree, and in this tree there are so many flowers growing. And all flowers looking very awesome. That is a yellow color. And one tiny bird also sitting on this tree. And if you look carefully, one tiny bird sitting over there. Yes, you can see here one tiny bird jumping from one branch to another one branch. and looking awesome. So many greenery in this park and one temple also. Look this park, feel greenery. And on this tree you can see there are three small tiny birds sitting on this tree. There are four small tiny birds sitting, looking so awesome, so beautiful, wonderful friends. So friends, if you really like my blogs, please write two line your thought, emotions, what you like in my blog. If you commenting two lines, it will be motivated to me to make awesome similar type of blogs for you. So if you watch from starting to end, please write one or two line about this blog, how you feel. There are so many trees here, small, long. There are so many monkeys, birds, greenery, and temple also in this park. So friends, hopefully you enjoy my blog. If you really enjoy my blogs, I hope you will write two lines about this blog. What you like? Your comment, it will be motivated to me to create another vlog. If you really want to learn English communication skill through blogging, this classic Vijay blogs only for you. So don't forget to check, subscribe and comment. I really thankful to you from bottom of my heart. You watch my blog from starting to end. Thanks a lot for connecting to me. Thanks a lot. Thank you once again. Thank you.